Hello folks, this is your view channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish. It's called fried pork with kales. This kind of kales is kind of like this kind of course name is Lacinato or the kales. And the main ingredient we need a handful of probably 5 leaves of this kale and 1 scallion and 1 teaspoon ginger and close probably 1 pound pork loin. And I think those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Its Chinese name called 恐龙羽衣甘蓝炒肉丝. Okay, we cut the scallion. The scallion we wash and pick the yellow skin and cut the roots off and cut from the middle. We'll just cut it. Try to cut it as small as possible. Probably this small. Okay, we cut the ginger. We don't need a lot of ginger, we just need 1 teaspoon of ginger. If you have grater for the ginger, you can grate some ginger. I want to use a knife to cut it either way. We just cut it, slice it, and cut it very thin. And then we cut it. Then we cut it again, and then cut it to small pieces. Try that as small as possible. If you cut small, we will chop it later, so don't worry. And chop it. Yeah, if you like a scallion, you can add more scallion into it. If you like ginger, you can add more ginger into it. It's up to you. If you don't like ginger, you can add too much. It's a ginger we get. Okay, we cut this kind of kale, and we cut this part of the bottom of this part off. This is too hard because this we will fry it, so. I will keep some stems because we will try to cut it very thin as possible. Just put it here. So we just try to cut it as thin as possible. So it will be like this thing. Those kales we get. Okay, we cut the pork, this pork loin, and we cut it. We will cut it very thin, so we cut it, slice it first. So it's probably this thin, not too thick. Kind of like this. This is then we cut it. From you can see it cut like this. And slice it, be very thin, so it'll be like this, If you think it's too long, maybe you can cut it from, so we can cut it from the middle. Yeah, maybe we can. Then we slice it. That's the final one we use to. Okay, to cut from the middle. Okay, so this will be the final one. This one will be the same thing. We just slice it. Those are pork we get. The final pork we use. We get very sad. Okay, on the stove. Medium fair. When the pot is hot, we add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. Don't. Okay. And raise the pot. We don't need the oil the hot, we add the pork into it. This way we keep the thin side pork more tender. And fry it. Just slowly fry until the fat in the pork and come to the oil and the liquid in the pot and it's gone. Okay, we fried and then the meat, you see the pork turned to white and there's a lot of the liquid in the paired in the pork. So we just keep frying until those liquid is gone. The fat in the pot go to the oil, and this liquid is gone. Then we do the next steps. Now you see the liquid is gone. Only the oil and the pork, the fat in the pot and the meat. So it's not liquid, just the oil and fat. And now we add this ginger. Add ginger scallion into it. And fry it. And slowly fry. This is the 13 spices. If you don't have 13 spices, you just add the 5 spices, or you just add black pepper, a pinch of black pepper. We add a pinch of 13 spices. Don't add too much. And fry. This is the kale. We add the kale to it now. Okay, we fry. This is the salt. We add half teaspoon salt to it. Don't add too much. If it's not if you taste later it's not enough, you can add a little more. Don't add too much one time. This is the soy sauce. We add 1 tablespoon soy sauce to it. Just fry until the kale is fully cooked. The pork is, I think, right now. The pork also right now, I think, is cooked. So just make the kale is fully cooked. Kale and the pork both is fully cooked. This is a chicken soup based mixture. If you have it, add a pinch to it. If you don't have it, you just don't add it. Don't add too much. Okay. Okay, we try the kale. The kale need to fry a little well. We try the kale. The kale is cooked. We try the meat. It's fully cooked. The flavor is good. So we turn off the stove. This dish is done. So the fried kale with the pork, this dish is done, and I hope you like it. And please subscribe, share, like, and comment, and see you next time.